the footwork first, done by Janelsa, so I'm just gonna count.
I remember it.
Okay, I'll do it with you. So, footwork, facing both ways, facing this way. So we do basic. I go 1, 2, 3, 5. Grapevine, cross, side, cross, side, cross, side, cross, side. Then we do our basic, just like adding a cross. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Crossing in. 1, 2. She's doing different timing. 5, 6, 7. And back to the front. Then I do my axle turns. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 7. If I want to keep doing the inside turn, I stop this way. If I do 7 like this, no more inside turn. 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Outside turn. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7, and basic 1. And that's the footwork, yes? Then we do partner work.
Yes.
You okay?
Yes.
Okay, basic. 1, 2, 3. Start with a cross body. 1, 3, 5. Right turn with the block. 5, 7, 1, 3, 5. Direction, navigation lines. 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5. I'll do it from this side. 1. This time I'm gonna add my turn. 6, 7. I forgot. 1, 2, 3. Oh yes. 5. Sorry. 1. Open break. 5. Here's the right turn. You need to block. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Inside turn. 6. Blocking direct. 1, 3, 5, 6. 6 guys. We pick all of our power. 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7. Practice.